Thanks for tuning in to Making Your Bacon. I'm Penny Baconator, your financial coach. And today we're talking about why saving works best when you treat it like a fixed expense. Just like rent or groceries, savings deserve a permanent spot in your budget. When saving becomes automatic, it builds consistency and cushions you against emergencies, supports long-term goals, and reduces financial stress. Plus, when saving is non-negotiable, you naturally become more intentional with your spending. I recently spoke with a close family member who'd listened to one of my budgeting episodes. They felt buying a luxury item isn't necessarily bad, and I agreed. Treating yourself is fine when the timing and finances align. But I explained that, for me, that item wasn't affordable at the moment. I wasn't trying to keep up with the Joneses, whose pockets weren't mine. I share my reasoning because they approached me with care, and we had a great conversation about values, timing, and what makes a purchase truly worth it. Next week, we're answering a question many of you ask. Is one type of savings account enough to reach your goals? This week, your homework is to compare a high-yield savings account with a regular one. Look at interest rates, fees, and access. We'll dive into it next time, so come prepared. And hey, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a sizzling episode. I've got more meals to cook up, and your girl just started making curry chicken. We're seasoning our finances and our kitchens around here. I'm Penny Baconator, and I'll see you next week on Making Your Bacon. A shift in your mindset begins today.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you what a song you do. Say that's your